Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your 2011 Hyundai Sonata with a key. First, make sure your key is fully inserted into the ignition. Next, confirm your vehicle is in either park or neutral. Then, simply turn the key clockwise to the start position and hold it briefly until the engine catches. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Sometimes, your Sonata might not start right away. A common culprit is a dead battery, which often requires a jump start. If you hear a clicking sound but no engine turnover, a faulty starter motor could be the issue. Also, always check that your steering wheel isn't locked, as this can prevent the key from turning fully. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, after you've got your Sonata running, why not upgrade your clean game at home? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. It's like having a co-pilot for your chores. You can find the link for this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. If you're still having trouble, try a few troubleshooting steps. Gently jiggle the steering wheel while turning the key to unlock it. Visually inspect your battery terminals for any signs of corrosion or if they feel loose. Also, listen carefully for the faint hum of the fuel pump priming when you turn the key to the on position. Its absence can indicate a fuel delivery problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.